Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you're watching me from. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. If you're a new subscriber here, thank you so much for coming, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You want to see how I made this yummy red velvet cake? Stay tuned and watch up till the end. Thank you. Without delay, let's get you're welcome. So I have my 1 cup of oil. I poured it into my mixing bowl, then I cracked 2 eggs open and I poured in my 2 eggs. I mixed it a bit. It's a very easy recipe, so you just need your mixer to mix your egg. That's basically what you need to mix. You don't need a mixer, just use your mix to mix your eggs together like this. So thereafter you pour in your sugar. I would leave the measurements in the description box below, so if you need anything you can check there for it. A detailed measurement will be dropped in the description box below. So you just mix in. It becomes a bit tough, but don't worry, by the time you start adding the other ingredients to go. So I have my color, my baking powder, my baking soda, my salt. They are going into the mixture now. So I have already poured in my buttermilk. I've poured my buttermilk into it. Then I add in my flour, my already sieved flour into it, and I just mix it together. It's a very simple recipe, very easy to get. You don't need to break the bank to make this delicious dessert for yourself and for your children. It pairs well with anything. You can have it with ice cream, you can have it with buttercream, you can have it with anything. It's so yummy and very fluffy. You can see how beautiful the red is, how vibrant the red is. So this is real red velvet, not fake red velvet. So I had in my flavor. I'm using vanilla flavor, sorry. So there I pour it into the pan, ready to go into the oven, and I baked this for 20 minutes on. So here's the end product. This is how beautiful it came out, how nice it looks. Thank you so much. If you have benefited 1 or 2 things from this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and keep us moving. Thank you so much. Till we meet in my next video. Bye bye.